Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing. Let me just collect these coins. Okay, today we are playing Don't Press the Emergency Button. We are going to play that game today. And I have already played this game a lot. That's why I already have a gravity coil. That's why I already have a gravity coil in my hand. Beat the obstacles. It's gonna be... It just makes you speedrun! I hate Rainbow speedrun. Oh god. Big rainbow slide. Wait. What is going on? I'm not even sliding anymore. Wait, what? Hole in the wall. I don't care about the hole in the wall. Just give me all the coins. Give me more money. I'm just kidding. I should fell down. Get on a plate, quick. Wait. Almost everybody died. Let me press the emergency. Fly house. Where is it? Oh. Get in the it doesn't even make you fly, stupid. Emergency, 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 emergency. There's an imposter. Basically everybody's the imposter. Crocodile's jumps. Oh yeah. The most easiest one for me because I have gravity. I have the power of the gravity. I have power of the gravity. I'm gonna press it. Give me it. Give me. I wanna press it. Let me. Okay, don't get caught. This is the most fun one. There's a glitch where if you just stand right here, the hand will just go past you. Huh? I love it. Now I can just... I hate this. Let me just jump and jump and jump and jump and jump and... That's so cool. Jump and fell down and fall down. Beat the obstacle. What obstacle? I always forget we have to jump. It's so annoying. Because my thoughts are tied up in a knot. Evil Santa. Bruh. Stay on the plate. Is this the plate? Oh, this is fun. No! You should not be touching the lava stuff again. No! I'm so bad at this game. I'm just gonna check what's in the shop anyways. Fucking buy it. I really want this, but it's for 250. I have 130. Just fall it. Bruh, you... I'm getting away from that guy. I'm just gonna... What did I just have? I was thinking... Get to the middle. Give me my coins. Then I'll go to the middle. I am getting to the middle. Oh my god! I actually got to the middle after getting 2 coins. That is so cool! Don't get caught again. I am just going to do this so I don't infinitely just die. This is the best part to go from this side. See guys, it's more fun. You can never get caught by the hand, but you can die, but you can never get caught by the hand. We am standing on the sun. I'm standing on the trampoline. Send me to the sky. Trampoline. Send me to the sky. I'm going so far. When will this one end? I don't like it. What? Okay, I was glitched. Just give me the coins. No. No! How did I lose that one? At least I got some coins. I got some money. If I try to jump on this, it's very hard. If I use the thing, whee! Whee! Don't open. What? Don't open. Yes, I want to be on. Yay! I'm an imposter. I look so cute. Give me the earthquake coins. I want the coins. Thank you. Earthquake is a very fun one. You just jam. Boom, boom, Jackson, boom, whatever, and boom, boom. Sledge ride. I'm very bad at the sledge ride, so let's just do this. I did it. Oh yeah, I did it. Nobody else. Only me. Get to the other side. Just walk. Am I go? I'm go. I was literally gone. I am so good. It's a spaceship. Let me in. No, I want to be an imposter. I like to be the imposter. Cause I like pasta. Dodge the dancing dogs and get the money. Dodge the dancing dogs and get the money. Dodge the dancing dogs. Got the money. It's a bomb. Run. Yeah, I don't care about the bomb. All I care about is the money. Oh my god. Why is it not explode? Oh my god. I went to emergency. Oh my god. Wait. Why else would they say But that hit me from like 1 meter away. What? Get it. Get eaten. I don't care about getting. Just give me all the coins. Give me the coins. I don't care about getting eaten. There's so much coins over here. Why doesn't anybody want these? Get eaten, I think I'll just give you one, right? Yeah. I'm still gonna do it anyways. Fun. Wait. Climb the tower, quick. Climb what tower? I don't get it. Climb the tower. How? How do you climb it? Is that a ladder? I didn't even see this the whole entire time. I am climbing. I don't want to die. How did I die? I am literally in space right now. Go! Emergency! Don't get caught. This one. I am today actually going to do this one because I feel like a way better person than I feel way bad. See guys, the cool thing about this green one is that if I try to jump on it, it's like that. But with the jump wheel, whee! As you guys can see, I have almost enough to get the one that I really want, this. VIPs like this, but these just normal stuff you can't buy. Avoid what? The ice? I'm getting the coins. I don't care about avoiding the ice. Okay, I'm supposed to be caring out of avoiding the ice, I guess. Sure, I will. Man, I always got some coins. Emergency! Lazy walk. Wee. That was a lot of coins, by the way. I have almost enough because of the lazy walk. I love the lazy walk. Stone? Oh my god! That was the most surprising one of them all. Stone. Big rainbow slide. Boom. Chaka. Wacka. I did it. I'm so good, I know. 244. Come on, I'm so close. 1040, that's not a lot. Annoying imposter, where? Can I be the imposter? I have enough to buy it. Let's go. I have two things. Speed. Fly house. Just let me in this time, please. I mean, it doesn't even let you fly. Stupid fly house. Emergency. Oh yeah. See, and then normal walking is like this, but the speed. I love the speed, by the way. Just to say that out, I love the speed code so much. It's so good. VIP, there's so much OP things, but these are just the normal. Oh my god! I didn't even know there were more stuff. Just give me all the coins. Give me the coins. Give me the coins. I don't like even rhymes. I don't say my name. 350, 100. Oh my god! I should have saved up for the magic carpet. That'd be so cool. The magic carpet. Boom! I want the magic carpet. And my new thing is focusing on the magic carpet and climb the ladder. We go to space, never see the world again. All I know is I have to stop at the top. Come to light, I don't ride, channel share. Speed up. I love the speed code, by the way. I'm getting the emergency. Quick. Oh, I love this. I learned a glitch by YouTube channel. Like, if you just stand here, you won't die. Climb the. Yeah, this is the same one like before. I'm not focusing on getting the coins. I'm focusing on surviving. Cause the main thing about the game is not surviving. Focusing about coins is not the main thing. It's about surviving. Oh my god! Everybody died. It's only the 3 of us alive. 2 bacons and me. We are the ultimate group. Quick, lazy walk. Lazy walk. I love the lazy walk. I love it. I love it. It just gives you so much coins. Give me these coins stuff. How much time I have? I think I should just be focusing on getting the coins. No. Emergency. Get down. Oh, I know this one. You have to go very quickly. I don't say, don't shine. Emergency. Get on the green plate. What if I do the glitch again? I hope the glitch works. No, it doesn't. I don't say, it's a spaceship! Get in the spaceship! Get in the spaceship. I like to call it. Get all the coins, you know, nobody cares about the spaceship. Just get all the coins and emergency. It's raining tacos from out of the sky. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and eat it. Tacos. It's tacos. You guys know that song? It's raining tacos from out of the sky. No need to ask why. There's so much coins there, but I don't care. It's time to survive life. See you guys in the next video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.